Okara and Okila. Pero chum corridor. Stamparito Malaiko Rika 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 Masopakale Tigoma.
Captain's Log Supplemental. Boy, I tell you, I couldn't believe it. I had a good captain send me a communique and tell me, he says, do you know what's going on? He says, we are getting these new star bases, these state of the art star bases, and all these captains are having a good old time trying to get into the star base and see what it looks like. That they're actually bumping it into each other, just getting into a star base. Are you kidding me? Are you kidding me that they are taking starships and trying to beat each other to get right in the star? You got doors that opens up, and they're trying to race each other to get into the starbase just to see what it looks like. You know it's all new and everything, new stuff, and it's just mind blowing. I mean, come on, guys. There are directors in there that help guide you into there. I mean, you get close to the star base and you say, stand by, Captain. We have oncoming traffic. We will let you know when you're ready to enter. Stuff like that. That'd be great. But unfortunately, man, these other starships are just like, wow, really? Come on. Come on, captains. We all got to work to each other. We can't afford to keep bumping these ships into each other because it just, well, I guess you could say, is it costly to get them repaired? It takes time to repair the ships, right? So let's just kind of calm down a little bit and let's just let the starbase guide us in. I mean, I even heard that they even had remote controls to bring you in. So it's like, dang, that's really start. Yeah, damn, can't even think about it right now. It's like tongue tying. Woo! State of the art star bases. I mean, man, I can't wait. We're out here on patrol and everything, but I can't wait to get close to this star base, see what it looks like. I mean, man, it's got offices, restaurants in it, all kinds of stuff. I mean, even got shuttlecraft bays in it that you just go down and up and come back through, and it's just awesome. Sounds really great, but let's quit bumping into each other, guys. I mean, it's like, come on, really? So, oh well. Hey, that's it of my log.
Chief Engineers, log, personal. can't believe it. These damn captains are telling their helmsmen to bump each other to get into the new starbase. What is wrong with that picture? Wow. Yeah, it's a new style starbase. Designed beautiful. Gonna have all kinds of stuff inside there. Me, I'm ready to go to the bars and that and see what's going on there and play some pool or play some darts or something like that. That'd be great, but it's like, wow, really? We don't want to destroy our ships in case something ever happens. We don't need a ship down and being repaired because of being idiotic ding-dongs, do we? Really? Don't need to do that crap. So we need to think about what we're doing. There are directors in there that will direct you into that starbase. So I just can't believe what I hear. Unbelievable. Oh well. It's interesting though. You get something brand new and we go from adult to children sometimes. I don't know. Chief Engineer Log, out. Commander Sparks log, supplemental. I was standing at the view screen and watching two ships try and get into one tiny hole in a brand new starbase. Why are we risking our starships to be the first one in there? The directors will direct you into the starbase. It ain't going to go anywhere. It's going to be around for a long time. It's illogical to do that. Captains, you have to slow down. You have to use logic to get where you need to be. Don't risk your starship. Don't risk your command. Just take it easy. Commander Sparks, log, out.
Oh, man. Oh, jeez. I see that the Federation morons made a new station. Oh, it looks beautiful. I wish I can go in there and make deals and make lots of gold pressed platinum. Even gold pressed platinum strip will work out pretty good for me, because I'm pretty broke right now. Oh, man. And the funny thing is that all these Federation starships are bumping into each other. What are you doing that for? What are you doing that for? I hate to be the admiral to explain to the president of the United Federation of Planet that, oh, a couple of our ships got excited and they bumped into each other trying to get in the space station. What the heck is that all about? Jeez. I don't know. I just don't get it. I just sit here and I'm watching my long range sensors and I'm just laughing my beetle snuff off. Oh man, crazy, crazy. Woo! I've never seen so silly people in my life.
Captain, picking up the communications from Captain Mark. He wishes to speak to you.
Captain Mark is calling me. Haven't talked to him in a coon's age. Please put the captain on the view screen.
Hi, Captain. Put him on screen.
Captain Shepard. Hope all is well with you. I would like to update you on the confusion at the new starbase. Some of the newer captains are not up to date on the new protocols, which have been out for quite some time now, and these captains have not taken the time to learn them. With the new protocols in place, starships are guided in for docking with the new guidance systems at the starbase. Because of this lack of leadership, I guess, by the captains, starships are, from my understanding, cutting off the starships that are being guided in by the guidance systems there. So, with that happening, they're bumping into each other and creating damage to the starbase itself. So there's double damage going on, and I'm sure Admiral Jim Shepard will be making an announcement of this in the very near future. So I don't think I'd want to be on the receiving end of that, but you take care, Captain Shepard. Captain Mark, commanding the USS Crytek, out.
Captain, picking up the communications. Starfleet Command. It is Admiral Jim Shepard.
Admiral Jim Shepard is calling me? Wow. Well, let's not delay. Put the Admiral in the main viewer, please. Right away.
Hi, Captain. Put him on screen.
This is Admiral Jim Shepard of Starfleet Command. I'm very disappointed in the starships that are approaching Starbase. It's a brand new Starbase. I don't need you guys bumping starships into each other. You never know when we're going to need those ships to go out in any kind of emergency or rescue or anything. You never know what things are going to come up. Captains, if you keep on racing each other, you will be in my office and we will have a nice long talk about maybe rank deduction or whatever, but you do not need to race each other. The director of the starbase has told me that he was directing a ship in, and a ship behind him scooped underneath of him to had to get in front of the ship and nearly collided. We can't have this. You guys gotta be better off like this. You gotta behave. You know, you have no idea who's out there. Who's out there watching us. You have no idea. So please, take my word. Take heed. Stop racing each other. Starbase is going to be there a long time. You can get in there anytime, but you have to let the directors know that you're there and they'll direct you in. Admiral Jim Shepard, out.
Good evening from the Galaxy News Office. This is your news commentator, Doinkin. Let's have a talk about the new Federation space station. It is inconceivable the amount of incompetence that these captains of the Starfleet have. I cannot believe they are not following the protocols that were released, well, it gotta be 6 months by now. Before the station was supposed to open, they were supposed to go through all this, train everybody, and there's just no excuse for what's going on with there. They're not following the guidelines of the new protocols of the guidance system coming into the station, and these guys are just making a mess. They're coming in different directions, they're bumping at each other, they're cutting each other off. Oh, it's just hilarious. These guys are just morons, I'm telling you. You would think Starfleet Command would have a better way of vetting these so-called good captains out, because they are just not doing their job. Somebody's not doing their job, and I'm sure it's going to come out in the end, but we're going to keep you informed on what's going on in the future, because this is all we have right now, and we will come back at you. So this is Commentator Doikin reporting to you from the Galaxy News office. Everybody have a good evening, and we will see you on the next cast.